channel. I am Paris Harley, your future or current addiction. And today I am back with yet another Simply Slayed affordable wig review. And today's affordable wig review is sponsored by ReadyWig.com. The unit that they sent me came over in this lovely box that you see here. And these were the contents of the package. Came with a spray bottle, a wig cap, which you will need, and there's also a hair guide on how to care for your unit and wear it and remove it, as well as their social media handles as well. So the unit that they sent me over today is called, on their website, their dark blonde long wavy synthetic lace front wig. This is 24 inches. It is heat safe up to 180 degrees Celsius. I actually just used my hot comb on this at 500 degrees, so there's that. Let me just kind of focus on like my main pros and cons of this unit first. The pros of this unit is that this unit does have a nice amount of lace. This is a lace front unit. I'm not going to judge this unit too harshly because this is an affordable unit, so you have to take the good with the bad, because you have to still realize this is an affordable unit, so you're not going to get the moon and the stars. Sometimes you do, but it would be crazy to expect that every single time. So with this unit, I absolutely love the coloring. They did a very nice job with the dark hair going into the light hair. It's like a dirty blonde or brown-esque color. This is a very pretty color. I think the coloring is like my favorite part about this unit. I also do like the amount of lace that you get. You get about 2 inches of parting space on the sides, and you get 4 inches going back from here to here. All the way to the back is about 4 inches of lace. The cap construction is very nice as well. You do get your adjustable bands in the back that are going to allow you to adjust the unit for bigger or smaller head sizes. Mine are not adjusted at all. I usually just don't even hook them. I unhook them and leave them alone, and that leaves for enough stretch for me to fit my units. So that's just a tip for big head friendly girls. If you have a smaller head, you're definitely going to want to use those straps because they are a lifesaver. I'm not a big fan of this hair texture. The hair texture is not bad, don't get me wrong, but the hair texture is kind of tangle prone because it's like a silky type of texture. Not super silky, it's more of like a silky with a little bit of a texture to it, but it's more so silky. With that being said, that's about all of my opinion on this unit. I am very much at this point neutral with this unit because I feel like the only reason why I'm having such an issue with it is because of the length. It is 24 inches. So if you are a girl who likes synthetic units that are longer, then this would be perfect for you. However, I only like my synthetic units to be about this length or shorter. I feel like when you go a little bit longer than here, that's when you start having tangly problems and things like that. So what I want to do today is kind of change up the look a little bit, you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and take our scissors and we're gonna do some more cutting. I really feel like I would like her at about this length, actually. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna cut her today. So take one last look at this unit at the length that it's in, and I'm gonna cut it and we're gonna see if we like it. Okay, so just as I expected, I do like this unit a lot better with the cut. It's gonna be way less of a tangle issue if you decide to cut it to a shorter length like so. As you can see, my fingers are just running so effortless through it now. But I gave you guys two looks. I gave you the long look and the shorter look, just in case you do love this unit a lot and long units are not your thing. It's literally 2 seconds. Go ahead and just chop it. I believe those are all of the thoughts I have today on this unit. If you guys like this unit as much as I did and you would like to purchase one of your own, I'll leave all of the links that you'll need to purchase this unit from ReadyWig.com down in the description bar below. If you're still watching this and you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and give that subscription button a little love tap just for me so you don't miss any of my future wig sling videos or any of my other content. With that said, thank you guys so much for watching yet another one of my Simply Slayed affordable wig reviews, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!